Hello everyone, this is Alan from Screenage.
Hello, this is Cici.
Well, today we have pleasure to introduce our window-facing product. The model number is 521XH to you.
Wow. This is our newest product, right?
Yeah, this is a new one.
Yes, I have to introduce to my clients, and they have few questions want to ask and.
Okay, understand. Please, you can ask any question right now because this is the purpose why we make this video to explain to everyone.
First is what's the size options about this screen?
We have multiple size options for you to choose. For this product, it starts from 43-inch and it also has 49, 55 and 65. But if you have demand on another request about the sizes, it's available by the request.
Yes, I can see the screen is more high brightness than the model products. What's the maximum and the minimum brightness about this screen?
Our default brightness for this serial product is 3000 nits. It's 10 times compared to the normal TV.
Oh.
Yep. But also, more than that, for some big size like 65-inch, we also can make it to 4000 nits.
Wow. And about the brightness, how can we to adjust?
It's a good question. For the brightness, well, it is a smart technology inside, just like our smartphone. It's going to be changed by the environment light. Check here. This smart plate, this is a light sensor built inside. The brightness for the whole display is going to be changed from 500 to 3000 nits, or relying on this smart light sensor. Check it out. For example, when I cover it, let's wait a few seconds and we can see the brightness for the screen going to be reduced slowly.
Oh, yes.
Can you realize that?
It's turned up.
Okay, so let me remove it, my hand finger, and wait a few seconds. The brightness is going to be improving to 3000 nits again.
Yes, amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, and the next question is, this is a wall-mount display, right?
Yeah, it's designed for the wall-mounted display, but we can provide different bracket for the different applications. Like we can make it as the ceiling hanging, floor standing, and also wall-mounted. More than that, for this product, you can see it is landscape, but we also can make it as portrait position. But please make sure you mention the orientation and installation method to our salesperson before you place the order.
Wow. And how about the resolution?
Well, it's a good question. There, for our window-facing display product, we are using two standard LCD glass for it. The first option, it is industrial standard. With industrial standard, the resolution it is Full HD only. But with another standard, we call it commercial standard, we can make it up to 4K resolution. But here is another question. How can I know we should choose commercial standard or industrial standard? Actually, it's very easy. For the commercial standard product, the working temperature is from -30 to 70 and for the commercial standard, it comes from 0 to 50 degrees. So, if the installation condition in your store, it has a very good air condition, it has a very cooling airflow in front of the display, and the resolution, it is your first consideration, then you can go with commercial standard. But if the cooling system inside your retail store it is not that good, then we give you the suggestion, please go with the industrial standard.
Yes, got it. And I can see the bracket shell is the black color. But sometimes my clients want to customize other colors like pink, white. Can we do that?
No problem, we can customize any color by your request.
Well, the most important point is what's the warranty time?
The warranty time, it is 1 year as default. But if you want, you also can request 2 and 3 years.
Thank you for introducing there.
Okay. Next, we will go to show you the details of all the product. Thank you. This is the backside view of our window-facing display product. From the top, we can see this is a light sensor. If we make the position from the landscape to the portrait, this light sensor gonna be moved from this part and to that side. Here it is a 2.4 Wi-Fi signal antenna, and there is more place here reserved with empty. We can see it's designed for the 5.0 Wi-Fi signal. So if you need both of the signal channel, we will put 2 Wi-Fi antenna here, and these 2 places, it is a handle designed to help the labor do the installation of the display. And here are 3 cooling fan system. The noise, this is the noiseless cooling fan, and it helps the internal of the display to create the airflow for the heat dispatch. With 400 by 400 VESA standard and M4 screws, this display could be fixed in any VESA standard bracket of the worldwide. This is the main area of the display. From the right side to the left side, it is the power socket, power switch, and the brightness control button. For this brightness control button, well, it is the one to set the minimum brightness. Our default, it is 500 nits, but you can set it as 1000, 1500, and also you can set it up to 3000 brightness. The reason why we have this button is because for some special application, like the coffee bar, sunlight would not be able to show on this light sensor. For the machine, it will think the environment light, it is very dark, so probably it just show the 500 brightness. But outside of the shop, it is noontime and the brightness is very, very high. So based on this kind of the experience, that's why we made this button to control the minimum brightness of the display. And for this area, it is the main area of the connection. It is an Android board right now. We can see USB, HDMI, and RJ45 connectors. But we not just could be able to provide the Android board, we also can provide it monitor board, standalone board, and a PC board. Everything will be provided by your request. Thank you.